Hi guys, in this video I'll show how we integrate with OneLogin for single sign-on. Same concept as what you already saw as Okta or Azure integration in my other video. First of all, I will start with OneLogin credential. So I will register for a free dev account. It will send me link to activate my credentials here. So I will click on verify. I will set up a password for myself. And I will authenticate with my credentials. That is the only user that exists on this tenant. This is my administrator account. From here I will go to applications and I will try to create a new application. I don't know if Venify already exists. In any case, I will just type SAML and I will choose a SAML test connector based on SAML 2.0. I will give it a name. I'm not planning on using portal, so I will disable visibility in the portal. Next thing that I need to do, because Venify requires SHA-2 signature on assertion tickets, so I will change it to be SHA-256, and I'm going to download SAML metadata from OneLogin portal. I will select all text. Venify backend, I will create XML file where I will paste all content. As you can see, I already have different XMLs for different providers. Check out my other video to see how to configure those. So this is where I paste content of a metadata file from OneLogin, and I'm going to open Venify config console. First thing we want to do, or we want to check, is that Venify Active Directory connector can validate a user email based on the email address. So I will go to property of my Active Directory connector, and this is the line that you will need to have here. So use custom expression, and this is the line that will allow Venify to authenticate user based on his email. Next, I'm going under authentication. I'm going to select SAML and I click on properties. As you can see, we already have different profiles for most popular SSO providers. So I will create other, I give it a name, OneLogin, and I will point it to XML file that I just created. I also will need my service provider data. So this is the link that I will copy to my buffer, and this is where I'm going to punch it. Under audience, recipient, consumer, validation, and login URL. I don't need to change anything here. I just will go in and click on save. Because I don't have integration with my on-prem Active Directory, I'm going to create a local user on OneLogin website. So I'm going under users, click on new user, and I'm going to give it a name, email address, and the username that I'm going to use on OneLogin website. Whenever SAML authentication will take place, alice@venifydemo.com, this is what OneLogin will pass to Venify. So you saw I just set password for this user, and now I need to attach to application. I have only single application, so this is what I do. And this is all configuration that I need to do on OneLogin. So I'm going to my in private view window, and I'm going to click on Venify Trust Protection Platform, and you can see this is my Aperture portal. So just to show you that I can log on, but really the idea is to enable SAML single sign-on. So I'm going back to my Venify, select my SAML option, and click on enable. I will open a new in private view window, click on Venify demo, and now you can see that a redirection happened to my OneLogin website, where I will type Alice. I will type her password. Redirection happened back. After successful authentication, I was able to log on as Alice to my Venify Aperture portal. I hope it was informative. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.